Hello guys, so we are gonna continue building the pages of the art journal. So here is the last one that I put on the shorts, and I did some mark making and this illustration, and then I'm gonna do like a card and a pocket to put the card on it, and this is like an image that I have created in a transparency and with a mixed media project that I had on my studio. And then as a background, I want to do some mark making. And I was taking an eye on the ones that I had already done. And in the end, I thought that this one is going to be fine. So I'm trying to replicate the mark making. This is an oil pencil, but you can use, I don't know, acrylic marker, a regular pencil, I don't know, whatever you have on your studio, and do just this simple mark making, which you will see that with all the other layers it's gonna be amazing. And then I'm trying to integrate also this page. By the way, this is a collage, and this paper, which is made over a book page, you have the process on the mini workshop that you have in the channel. So take a look at it. And then the objective of the video today is to create 3D texture on our journal. And for that, normally you can use modeling paste, which is a medium that you can use with acrylics. Or what I like to do is just use this texture powder from Finnaberg, which I really love because it creates like a sand texture. So it's not only three-dimensional, but also like a different texture than the modeling paste. So I really like to use it. And what I normally do is put like a proportion of 1:1 acrylic and powder. And I mix it till I get like a frosting texture with this sandy texture. I don't know how to explain it, but I just put powder till I like the texture I have. And then I use the palette knife to extend the mix we have on top of the stencil. This stencil, I bought it on Rubber Dance, and I absolutely love the products. I was showing you in the last video some of them. And the key here is not to move the stencil and the paper, and in this case fabric, because I love to use fabric, and I work the fabric the same way that I am using the paper, so with the same acrylic paints and everything. And the important thing here also is just to clean very well the stencil, because as this is like creating texture, it can damage the stencil. So right away I just take a baby wipe and I just pass it through the stencil very well. And also I took advantage that I have some paint on the stencil to create another paper that I will use in another project. So once it's completely dry, and it takes a little because it's very three-dimensional, I just took the piece and used staples to create the pocket. And also I use the part of the fabric and as another layer on the collage, because in that way it is integrated with the other part of the art journal. And here is the end result. So here we have the transparency with my design, as I said, on top of a mixed media project. Then I have the fabric that allows you to take away the card and a little message there. And here I tried to see if I can show you the texture. And that's it for this week. I hope you like it. If so, you can subscribe to my channel, please, and give me a thumbs up. And see you next time, guys. Bye.